Before we enter into the precast system, let's introduce to IBS system. So IBS system, there are actually 5 common types, which including formwork system, blockwork system, steel frame system, timber frame system, and lastly is the precast concrete system. Before we introducing to the precast concrete system, let's introduce what is concrete. Some of the people might confuse with the concrete and cement. So concrete, they are actually mainly composed of cement, aggregate, water, and some chemical mixture, whereby the cement is just only the powder of the hydrated limestone. When all the components react with the water and react with the cement, so they will bond each other. So it eventually will creating a stone-like material. So that is where we call harden and solidify. And this whole process is a chemical process that is named by hydration. So the properties of the concrete is relatively high compressive strength, but they are actually very low in tensile strength. That is why we usually use it for reinforced with the material that is steel. This can actually increase the strength and also the tensile strength of the concrete. The elasticity of the concrete will decrease at higher stress level as the matrix cracking develops. It also can be easily damaged by fire, aggregate expansion, seawater, bacterial corrosion, and even the leaching. Concrete can actually be divided into plain cement concrete and also the reinforced cement concrete. Both these concrete are using the same material, just that the reinforcement cement concrete has an extra material which is the reinforcement bar. Both these has high compression strength, but the plain cement concrete is low in tension, whereby the reinforcement cement concrete has high tension. That is why people usually use the reinforcement cement concrete as a building structure instead of the plain cement concrete. So in terms of the price, the plain concrete will be cheaper compared to the reinforcement cement concrete. But is really the cheaper price will always be better? The answer is no, and it depending on a certain situation. So the plain concrete is cheaper, but it has thicker thickness. And it also have many different jointing, and these all jointings have to maintain, and it is very easy to cracking. Although the price of the reinforcement concrete will be slightly expensive, but it is more durable. As a material itself durable, so we can save from maintenance fee if you compare to long-term use of the concrete. So let's conclude about the plain concrete and reinforcement concrete. In terms of green concrete, the thicker the concrete design, use more the cement and aggregates, so it is the less green concrete it is. So as a conclusion, reinforcement concrete will be more greener compared to the plain concrete, and because of the steel reinforcement, it enhances the performance of the concrete itself.